what you want?
Anaya, is that you?
Yeah,
You're 6 years old. How did you get a job at McDonald's?
they were desperate.
Okay, well, let me get a 20-piece nugget.
20? I thought you was on a diet.
It's my cheat day.
I guess every day is your cheat day.
Shut up.
What sauce do you want?
Barbecue.
Anything else?
Yes, a large,
Mm.
small fry with a Diet Coke.
Okay, that'll be $7.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Let me get an ice cream cone, too.
Okay, that'll be $9. What? I've been told to tell you that the ice cream machine is broken.
What?
They don't feel like turning it on. I mean, it's just broken. So you wanted a double cheese combo with the caramel frappe?
That's not what I ordered.
Please pull forward.